Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is part 2 of the mini greenhouse. In part 1 we made the greenhouse and transplanted the seedlings. In part 2 we will harvest the beautiful vegetables. But wait, later on I will reveal the pros and cons about a mini greenhouse. Please stay. I made the greenhouse just as an experiment but was later surprised with the results that I got. This project was great fun, and it also put some food out on my table. It was really worth the effort. Look at the harvest. Healthy peas. I harvested peas 3 times. The kale leaves were harvested over a period of 6 months. I will do this over and over again. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the greenhouse. Pros. Easy to make. Cheap and affordable. It is portable. Protects seedlings against bad weather. Requires small amount of water. Cons. For home gardening only. Dogs will destroy greenhouse. Keep away from pets. Various small greenhouses for sale in nurseries. Try this. It's great fun.